function in MDX, it works like a filtering the data. So usually whenever we write any query and if we want to exclude any specific members from the attribute, we write in different way, right? So let me show you how we write normally. So for example, here I have the I'm trying to fetch the reseller sales amount and for the different categories. Now I want to exclude from here I want to exclude components. Okay, I don't want the components information. So for that, what I do usually to exclude the components from my query, so I take the components and then put the minus, right? So then when I put the minus, then it will exclude the components records. It seems I need to use in the curly bracket, which is the tuple set. Now it should work. Okay, so now it's excluded the components. I mean, if even further I want to extend and exclude the clothing and components, then again we write the this way, right? So writing this negative, right, minus condition, which is nothing but not in condition in the MDX, writing this condition is very expensive in terms of your operations, right? It will give performance issues when you have a huge volume of the data. That's the way the except will help really handy, right? So except also will do the same functionality, but performance wise the except function is very good one. Okay, so usually it will take the two sets information, set 1 and set 2. Normally if we go to here and we drag the syntax, so it will take the set 1 and set 2. If the set 1, what are the records that exist, also part of the set 2, it will exclude them. So that is the functionality that will happen. That means set 2 is always the reference one. We are telling that the records that in the set 2, if they exist in the set 1, please exclude it. Okay, so that's what we are telling to system. Okay, now here, so how do we write the except? Then let me show you. And here, so I want to take the all categories except components. Okay, now here I take the components in my curly bracket and then close the bracket. Okay, it seems extra bracket I used it. Yeah, here if I execute this, then I'll get the all product category information excluding the components. Even if I want to do the excluding the clothing, again we can use the clothing and components as my filters, as my second set in the except function. Okay, so this is how you will exclude the records using the except. So again, so using the except will give a good improvement in terms of the performance. So that's all about the except. Thank you.